Okay, so we're going to look at a long question from the 2015 Junior Cert paper on fold mountains. So the first question is asking us to explain how fold mountains are created with the aid of a label diagram. So we're going to first describe it and then we're going to draw a simple diagram. So first we want to say, is it at a destructive boundary, a constructive boundary? Which type of boundary forms this landform? Okay, so we'll start off with fold mountains are formed when two plates collide at a destructive boundary. So we've already told them what kind of boundary they're formed at, and now we need to say how exactly this mountain comes to be. So as the plates collide, the crust of the earth is compressed due to the pressure of the colliding plates. And this causes the overlying land to buckle upwards and form fold mountains. Now, just to give a tiny bit more detail, because when the rocks buckle, they obviously aren't going to buckle just in one straight line, it's going to be up and down. So the upward folds are called anticlines. So the up folds are called anticlines, and the down folds are called synclines. And that's enough description there on the fold mountains. So next we just have to draw a very simple diagram just to basically reinforce what we've just said. So we're just going to draw a simple one. In the exam I would use a ruler for this. So we're going to it can be as simple as you want it to be. It's not an art exam, so just as long as you label it clearly and they know what you're talking about, that's enough. It's fine. Okay, so then I'm going to label it with pen. Wait, first actually, I'm going to have our two arrows. Now, so these are plates colliding. This is of course the crust. This is an upfold, as you can see, it's going up. So an upfold slash anticline. And then we have the down one here. So a downfold slash syncline. Oh, I forgot to put my N in there. And that is it. So basic diagram, you don't need to colour it in unless you have time at the end, but I wouldn't advise to do that first. First get all your information down. So that's part 1 done, that's the bigger part. Part 2 is a simple question. Name a fold mountain in Ireland. So you can take any mountain range in Ireland that you know of. I'm going to take McGillicuddy Reeks. Because that's the highest mountain range in Ireland and it's located in County Kerry. That's your long answer complete there.